What's going on, dudes? I have an issue with the car again. Well, I mean, it's kind of ongoing. It happens every now and then. See, I can open the car door from the outside, right? Look at the handle though, it's completely disconnected. So I'm gonna fix that today, and because I've fixed it so many times and I don't know if it might be like a popular issue or whatever with Soarers, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it. Hopefully sort of semi-permanently as well. I'll see what I can do to make sure that it doesn't happen again, and yeah, so let's get to it. How's the dog doing, dog? All right, so really all you're gonna need for this is either a drill or a screwdriver. I highly recommend if you have it, use a drill, because some of these screws are just a pain in the ass to get out. And because my door card is kind of in really shit condition, I've had to put a lot of extra screws in to keep it on, and it's still kind of floppy anyway, so yeah, this definitely will make it a lot easier to get all those fucking screws in. Make sure you don't lose these. I'm gonna get a little tray or something to put them in. Perfect, little plastic container. Just fucking Soarer things, man. Door card is free. I'm just gonna leave that in there actually. Put that on later. All right. Now there's a lot of fucking cables and shit in here. All right, so as you can see, there's a big old mess in here, but the thing that's come out is this little blue one here. So that's the one that we're gonna need to seat back in this little hook. All right, so yeah, you just gotta pull that back around and get it in its little slot. And what I'm planning on doing is just hot gluing up the outside here, just in that hook part, so that this can't slide out of its hole anymore. And then it's easy enough to just break off a bit of hot glue if you ever need to like replace the cable or anything. But that's gonna stop it from coming out, and it won't have this issue anymore, because I have had this issue about 3 or 4 times, and it is annoying as fuck to just take all the screws out of the door card and fix this. Yeah, it sucks, because you'll be sitting in the car, go to get out, that'll disconnect, and you're like, fuck. So you've got to get out the passenger side, which is not a good look. All right, my hot glue gun should be heated up, so I'll try and get a decent shot of what I've done. All right, so I figured out what was going on. It was because my phone was full and I had no more room to store anything. So as you can see, all I've really done is just try and glue the outside of that there, so that this cable, you know, giving it a good decent wiggle, I'm shaking the whole door card, doesn't move out of this spot anymore, and it's just continued, and this can still flow to and from in between. Door handle still moves, cable still pulls, so it should be done. So I will set everything back up and make sure that it's working. All right, so I accidentally fucked up. You're actually supposed to just have this bit on the front half. Mine's actually snapped off because that's meant to sit there. The glue didn't work, so I literally just JB welded a piece of plastic to the end of it there. The cable still moves fine, but this can't come out anymore, so that's not gonna be a problem. Yeah, so now I can put it back together, and it should be all good. All right, so I just finished putting the door back together. Moment of truth. Nice. Now that won't fucking happen again. When you're finishing it up as well, just make sure that the door lock cable doesn't actually come out, because that's what happened to me. I just had to quickly take it off and then put that back in. And make sure that that works. So now the door locks as well on the outside, because it wasn't locking at all. Like, it was just staying unlocked and you could pull it open. But yeah, everything's done, it's fixed. That little piece of fucking plastic should keep that cable in place, and I shouldn't have it come out anymore. So it is just a very cheap, ugly, and quick fix. But, you know, if you want to be able to get out of your driver's side without, you know, spending any money or anything, that's the way you can fix it. Like, this is Scuff Garage. I mean, come on, we're gonna fucking do shit cheap and easy. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope it helped, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.